Hi, I'm Divyansh Gupta.
I'm Barnupriya Barua.
And I'm Kaustubh Mani.
We are Team Hypersense from IIT Kharagpur. Our product is called WhiteCane. It is a virtual assistant for the visually impaired, right now implemented as an Android app. It is basically based on a voice-based interface where the user can shake his phone, ask any kind of query to the smartphone, and using the smartphone's camera, the question is answered in a natural language manner. So let's see the UI of the app.
So here you can see the UI of the app.
Welcome to WhiteCane. Shake your phone to speak.
Our first feature is scene description, where let's see a demo.
So what happens is first we shake the phone, then the app starts listening to the user's query. The user can give any general query and we classify that what the user wants to do. And so let's see what happens. First I shake the phone. What is in front of me? Yeah. So now what is happening is the image is first using what is in front of me. The
A
app
man sitting at a table using a laptop computer.
The app first classifies that the user wants to know a brief description of the surrounding, and then it sends the image to the respective model which is running on our server and gets the output and speaks it back to the user.
So we have many other features. So you can another important feature is OCR. So visually impaired users often have a lot of difficulty in finding Braille books because Braille books are available for maybe 10th or 12th standard, but higher education Braille books are very difficult to find. So using OCR, you can basically convert any normal textbook into an audiobook effectively and use that to read the entire book front to back. So let's see another demo of OCR.
Let's see what's written on his ID card. Read the text. Read the text. So again,
So for OCR we are sending a high.
Microsoft Accessibility Summit, May 30th, 2017, Microsoft Campus. Speaker Divyansh Gupta in collaboration with Sarthak Educational Trust.
So this works for any kind of textbook, any kind of text, and this is a very useful feature for the visually impaired. And since it's OCR, we are sending a high resolution image, and that is why there's a bit of a lag that you saw. Then we have other features like question answering. Which one is the next? I'm not sure.
visual question answer.
Visual question answering. So using visual question answering, you can ask it any kind of open-ended question. Like for example, what is the color of the person's t-shirt? Or is the door open? Or what is the color of the street light? Or any kind of question basically. Then we have other features like help me find, where you can ask it, help me find my water bottle. So you can point it in different directions and it will tell you, could not find the object, could not find the object, could not find the object, found the object at a distance of around 2 meters. So using a normal smartphone camera, we are also giving an estimate of the depth, which is not that easy to do, but we are still doing it. We are using some deep learning magic. Then we have textual question answering on top of OCR. So for example, if there's a research paper like this, you can, normal OCR would just read the whole thing top to bottom. But using textual question answering, you can ask it questions like who are the authors, or what is the abstract, or where are the authors from, things like that. Then apart from that, currency recognition is another important feature where, visually impaired people are often duped by shopkeepers who give them lower denominations than what they're supposed to get. So currency detection is a model that we have collected the data ourselves, trained it ourselves, and it is running on a server. So using that, it can basically tell you that it is a 50 rupees note, it is a 100 rupees note, it is a 20 rupees note, that way. And last feature I think would be people description, where you can ask it to give you a description of the people around you. So you can ask it things like how many people are there, what are their expressions, what are their ages, or are they happy, are they sad, things like that. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed our demo, and please stay tuned at Microsoft Accessibility Summit for more amazing content. Thank you.